In previous video, I have shown you how you can connect Raspberry Pi with the remote desktop, that is laptop, by using Ethernet. So now I will show you how wirelessly you can connect this Raspberry Pi with this remote desktop, that is laptop. Okay. So now this is the power cable. I have given power to this. You can see this one. The LED is blinking, right? The power is given, and already I have connected to a sensor. One is ultrasound, another is the DST11, right? So now what you have to do, we have to search the IP, wireless LAN IP from this applications, or by using this application, this advanced IP scanner. Click on that. Scan. Please listen carefully that how can I understand this is a wireless IP. Searching. Not yet. This is the, just see this IP address 192.168.0.4. Whenever we have a 0 dot something, 192.168 0 dot something, that means it is wireless LAN IP, and it is written Raspberry Pi Foundation, that means there is a wireless LAN Raspberry Pi IP address. Okay, just you copy it, copy IP, and click on remote desktop and copy it. Connect. Yes. Once again, username, password, Pi and Raspberry. We got this one. So just see this one. There is no Ethernet connection. It's simply wireless connection. Simply wireless connection. Okay. So what is the step? First, connect power cable with this Raspberry Pi. Then click on advanced IP scanner. Search the wireless LAN IP address and click on remote desktop and just put this wireless LAN IP address and enter into the Raspberry operating system or Raspberry Pi operating system. So now I'll tell you how you can do in another way. So suppose if you have a problem to searching the wireless LAN IP address from the advanced IP scanner, what you can do, just first you enter by using Ethernet cable into the Raspberry Pi. I'll repeat once more. If you have a problem to search wireless LAN IP address from the advanced IP scanner, what you do, first connect Ethernet cable, then enter into the Raspberry Pi, right, and click on terminal. Click on terminal. You type ifconfig to get the wireless LAN IP address. Just see this one. Already you know that the IP address is 192.168.0.4, right? So that we got from here also. So if you have a difficulty to search the wireless LAN IP address from the advanced IP scanner, first you connect with the Ethernet. Already I told you the connection, and then enter into the Raspberry Pi and type a command called ifconfig, and you get the wireless LAN IP address. Then what you do, just close it and then log out. And you can copy once more. Simply we are connecting. Once again, Pi and Raspberry. That's it. The two way you can do, either by searching IP address, wireless LAN IP address from advanced IP scanner, or from the ifconfig command. But if you want to use ifconfig, then you have to connect Pi with Ethernet, then enter into the Pi and type if